But y'all knew this hairstyle wasn't gonna last, though, right? Yeah, y'all knew that. Hi, James. How you do? How's the kid? How's the dog? And how's the grass? All good and swell. Okay. Y'all knew this hairstyle was not gonna last. So I'm here today wearing my little do hair shirt because it has some bleach stains on it and some lightener stain. The technical term or whatever. Anyways, so today I'm gonna teach you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to take out your quick weave without damaging your hair. The hair glue that I use, that same company has a hair bond remover. This is it. Don't remember how much this cost. I bought this years ago because, you know, back in the day is when people, glue-ins were like the thing.com. But it's basically oil. If you don't want to purchase this, you could just get some oil. There's a couple different ways that you can remove the hair without actually using the bond remover. For example, one, we have extra virgin olive oil. This is cooking oil that I found in the cooking aisle. Use it. I also use that for my hot oil treatments. So that's one way. Two, which is conditioner. That's downstairs. You could just lather your hair up in conditioner. But today we are gonna use because I also want to do a hot oil treatment because I have been flat ironing my hair to try to make it blend with this weave. And I'm natural, so you know it's a lot harder because the way humidity is set up. It's hard out here. So let's get to it. Don't lie. You don't miss me. Don't lie. Don't people just be lying. Anyway, so we're going to take this oil. Maybe it's what I should have used to slick it down in the first place. It looks like it would have been super oily. No. Honestly, one of these tracks is already coming out. Look, I'm about to show y'all. And you could, because if you wore a cap, you could rip this off track by track. Because I'm going to show you, it's possible. Track on, track off. You could do that, but that's a lot of work. So we're going to try to do it as a whole. Or I had like a squeeze bottle more, probably would have worked so much better with a squeeze bottle. We're gonna get a squeeze bottle.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Ooh. Wow, I look cute. And here we are. No damage. Just very oily hair. Here's our little fun place. Our little fun little mixture right here. No damage. Throw that bad boy out. Now we're gonna take out the rest of these braids and finish my hot oil treatment.
Purchase your tracks today.
So my body normally generates lots of heat. I don't know what's my problem. But what's gonna happen is I'm gonna leave this in for a while, do a couple activities, sweat, and then I will wash it out with a sulfate-free shampoo and then do a deep conditioning and call it a day. So up to you. You could go under the dryer and, you know, steam it that way. You could heat up the oil. You could do whatever. And then, you know, shampoo it, do a conditioner, do a deep conditioner, and then wash it out, you know, style as desired. And I thank you guys for watching this little quick video. And I hope to see you next time, gems. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel. Stuff. All right, see you next time.